Oh, that's a nice handful you got there.
Thanks.
You know, I've always wanted balls.
Like penis envy, but with balls?
Oh yeah, just grab them all the time.
Yeah, I mean, if I had tits, you know, I'd just be like...
It's totally hands down the pants all the time.
Yeah, no, we don't do that, you know, it's like...
Just walking down the street, sashing, balls swinging back and forth.
Well, hey, you were great. I had a lot of fun.
Nice, cool breeze rustling my balls like wind chimes.
Yeah, it's not really how that
And it
works, you know,
kills.
it's just...
It kills.
Why would you get a
So
kill?
I can reach down under there and just grab them and tap, 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 pat, 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 pat.
Do you have any idea what that would hurt? Like, it's not a speed bag, they're balls.
Well,
I
don't
wanna
mind
do that.
me just walking down the street.
Is that what you think guys sound like? We don't do that.
Rustling my balls around. Bing, bing, boom, boom, boom.
No.
Bing, 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 boom, bing, boom.
I'm gonna go.
Wait, what?
I'm gonna leave. Go.
No. Just relax. Stay.
Okay.
Check these out.
What? No, please. Oh, God.
Yes.
No. What are you doing?
Yeah. Dancing with my balls, dancing with my nuts. On the left is my ball, on the right is my nut.
That's bongo. What are you doing? Oh, don't hit that. What are you doing?
Caribbean balls, Mom.
Have you had pineapples there the entire time? It's not a steel drum. What are you? Oh God! Do you just do this? Listen, I'm out of here. I'm gone. I'm leaving. This is. Oh Jesus!
Call me. Baby.